Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate Google Assistant option into a Poco X4 GT. Firstly, open your Google application, this one. Then on the bottom right corner we got more options, so tap it. If you don't have this button here, press to your Google account icon and here choose settings option. So now I'm tapping more and go into settings. Here we'll go into Google Assistant option. And now scroll down and find general option, this one. And now tap here on the switcher to activate your Google Assistant and confirm operation, tapping turn on one more time. And that's it, now we activate our Google Assistant option. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.